Hello students. I'm Soumya Sinha and today we are going to discuss about cells. Okay. So what are cells? Have you ever thought of that how is this human body is made up of? How are we manufactured in a technical term? Have you all seen constructing building? A building while constructing? I mean when it is being constructed. You'll find that bricks are assembled together and then the building is made. So in the same way, when smaller when the cell which we are going to study today are assembled together, any living organism's body is made. Okay. And so what are cells? It is the smallest unit in any living organism's body. Okay, not the smallest part, but it is the smallest unit in any living organism's body, be it plants, animals, or we human beings. Okay. So uh, we can a brick can be a good example to understand it well. Now let's talk about its subcellular structures. Cell and by the way, if I haven't mentioned that, its size varies from 1 to 100 micrometers, and when I say micrometers, believe me, it is very very small, and we barely we hardly can see it with our naked eyes. We have to use that instrument, microscope, to have a visual of it. So these are already very small, then how would they work? So these are very small, but then also they contain many structures inside them. Okay. There are many structures, living structures inside them, such as mitochondria, cytoplasm, yes, a nucleus, Golgi bodies, plastids, etc. Okay, and these all have, there are many more, but these all have uh, their specific features which help the cell as a whole to work in our body. Okay, have you noticed that whenever we get ill or whenever we get hurt, it tends to treat itself by 2 or 3 days. Our body treats ourselves even if we don't have taken any sort of medicine or anything. Then also we'll tend to, in a healthy body, it will recover itself in 2 3 days. है ना? Have you all ever noticed this? So what happens, these cells only helps the body actually to recover itself and again be a healthy body. So basic survival, if we talk about our survivals of any human being or any animal or any plant, then a great sort of credit is going to uh, is should be given to cells only. Then repair mode, when we sleep at night, these cells uh, tends into a repair mode. Okay. And uh, that's why we say that sleep is also very important for the cells to get repaired, because we take rest at that time, and it is more favorable to the cells to divide itself and repair itself. Okay. um, every physiological or chemical functions, it is also called a structural and functional unit of life. Why? Because every functional unit, whatever we say, we talk, we set, our body is all the time working. It is digestion, excretion, everything. Cell plays a very major role in that. So I hope you might have by now you might have known the importance of cell, and I hope this video helps. Thank you so much.